one of the other things that's really impressive with this panel is the way that it deals with partial shade.
Yeah.
Can you talk to us a little bit about that?
Yeah, shade comes in a lot of different ways. Obviously, you don't want to put panels up behind trees.
Of course.
But there's always going to be maybe a little branch here or there that's going to interrupt that, or you're going to get leaves that end up on the panels and they're not clean, dirt build up, cloudy days. All of those things are obviously going to affect the absorption of the panel. But the new Quasar panel is amazing at shade. So we've got a little demonstration we can show you on that.
Let's check it out.
Okay. So here we have two little panels connected up to some little LED lights. So basically the same cell technology, just a standard TopCon cell compared to the new Quasar. So what we'll do here, we'll just kind of give you a bit of a look. If we cover up a cell on each of these, you can see that that amount of shade is enough to stop the production of power. Compared to, Daniel?
No difference.
So same thing, and you do it with, say, covering up two cells.
Slight difference, but not much.
Yeah, obviously that's not going to work over here on that one. So
if we go to 3,
and then we can go for 3 cells.
That's when you see it dim, but it is still on.
Yeah, but I think you're cutting over a couple of the other cells there too.
Oh yeah, true.
To be fair.
Oh yeah, that's
so
the
that was like
one.
6 cells then.
Yeah, okay. And it's still on.
It's
I
still
don't know
on.
if the video picks that up, but it's
so
still
when you
on.
start to get those leaves on your roof and you start to get the little bit of shade coming across from the branch, yeah, these things are going to be still pumping out more power.
Even when you cover the whole thing,
it's still just generating there. Yeah. But I guess you multiply that by a full cell, a full panel, a full string, you're probably still getting some power out of it. So that's where it's important, again, just to re-emphasize, how much power you get out of your panel is the critical thing in a good result with your energy system.
With your overall solar system and ultimately your payback.
Absolutely.
That's great.
Yeah.
Thanks very much,
Amazing.
Shane. Appreciate
Pleasure.
your time.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah.